Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing the JBL Boombox. So let's get started. It has a nice packaging overall. So here we have the speaker. Let me take it out of the box. Let me keep the speaker aside. Let's remove all the packaging. Let's see what we have inside the box. More foam. That seems heavy. So it has the power cable and the charging brick. Let me open this. There are quite a few things inside the box. The user manual, like who reads that? The wall brick. The good thing that JBL has done is has given a European standard as well as a Western standard, so that you can use it in India as well as in London or the European countries. Now let's see the speakers. It has quite a weight to it. So here we have the black version. So it has a few buttons and that buffer at the side. It has two modes, as you can see. One is for indoor and outdoor. Behind there is a opening case, waterproof, so that you can charge your phone and charge the boombox from behind. This is a physical overview of the boombox. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.